Hey YouTube, JC here, and I'm bringing you guys a little quick video today. Not really going to do mechanical. I'm just going to kind of explain what I went through on this no start. So the vehicle is a 2005 Chrysler Pacifica, and the thing that I found with this vehicle was a no start. It was towed into my shop, and the customer wanted to replace the starter, so we went ahead and did that. Did not solve the issue. Battery was okay, so I did what you know anybody else would do, and when they hit a dead end they would kind of surf the web. And I found a video that kind of explained that sometimes the ground to these cars is really bad, and all you really need to do is add a 4 gauge ground wire going from the battery to the transmission housing, and that should solve the trick. I tried that, did not work as well. And in the comments for that video, a gentleman noted that he had to replace the ignition cylinder. So that's where I am today, and ignition cylinder is okay. What I did find was, let me move all this out of the way. Okay, what I did find was the ignition cylinder was okay. What was in the back, which is this little guy right here, broke. There's the piece there. There's the broken piece that goes at the end, and that little piece turns the ignition switch, which is this guy over here. I'll get some light for you guys. Oh, too bright. There we go. So that guy goes in there, in the little hole, as you can see there, and it turns that. So what I did was I grabbed a screwdriver, put it in there, a flathead screwdriver, and I turned it, kind of to simulate what that little broken piece would do. And this is what happened. Got my flathead screwdriver. Okay, this is going to be difficult because I don't have one hand, so let's see here. Let's see if I can do it with my foot. There we go. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, flathead in there. And then I just turned it. Started the car right up. So that verified that the whole, electrical system was okay. No wires damaged, So, just a little quick fix out there. I'll put a link to that gentleman's video in regards to the, the extra 4 gauge ground wire, so you can see, what he did to kind of do the quick fix. But if that doesn't work for you, next thing would probably be the ignition. I don't even know what this thing's called. It's just at the very end of the ignition cylinder, and what I found was that mine was broken and kind of pieces in there, and that did not start the car. So hope that this video helps you out, kind of gets you out of a dead end if you run into this problem and you're not replacing starters or doing batteries. Just a little kind of help everybody out. I know, like I said, I'll put the the link to the other videos, because those videos kind of leaded me to this point, and they were very helpful. So I hope this kind of helps you guys out. All right, here it is, guys. This is what the issue was. Here's the old one, which is on the right. It's actually called an actuator. So the broken one is on the right and the new one is on the left. As you can see, the shaft broke, and that's what was not turning the ignition switch. So yep, just wanted to show you guys the parts, what it looked like and what it's supposed to look like, so that way you guys can verify if that's the issue for you guys. All right, thanks for watching.